Hey guys, it's me David, and I just wanted to tell you how I set up for nerf, for like a nerf war and stuff like that. So right now, this is how I am. I just look like this, but eventually I'm going to be getting like army pants with like extra pockets, so I have more space for like more stuff. So yeah, let's get started. So first, here is my pistol. Like, I need to kill somebody. I don't have any more ammo. My pistol. My pistol, my pistol. My pistol, my pistol. My pistol, my pistol. Yeah. So, what I have on is just like what I'm wearing. My hat is just like, if you're not a Giants fan, you know that this is not a Giants like hat. So yeah. Now these glasses. These are just like glasses that you find every day. They're just cheap, like $10 glasses. So yeah, those are cheap glasses. And this is just like a towel kind of thing. Yeah, and then my gloves are just like black gym gloves. So these are just like black gym gloves. Vallejo. They're pretty cool. So yeah, that's my armor. And yeah, so then in my back pocket I have this for just ammo for this big bad boy. This thing is called a nerf Elite Strike, like rapid fire, I think. And this is so like run out of ammo, throw that, bring back this thing, put that in, that. So yeah, and that's how I set up for nerf videos. So bye.